Hello everybody, it is XPilot here for I Forgot My Username, and today I'm going to show you how to code Minecraft mods for Minecraft. This is the first episode, also I think the first video we've uploaded, and I'd just like to say that all we are going to do is upload kind of sort of random videos, and we're not really going to work together in a way. We're just going to upload individually and yeah, in a way, yeah. So if you're interested in coding Minecraft mods, you must be here. And basically, what I'd like to say is it's good if you know a bit of Java to do this. And there are two programs that you must have installed. I'm doing this on a Mac, but you don't have to do it on a Mac. You can do it on a PC too. It's practically the same. So basically, I've already done this, but you want to download the Java Jdk onto your computer, whichever one you are using. The link to this will be in the description, and you will, you will have to install this for it to work. Otherwise, you will get errors, and you will not be able to properly edit it. The second one, you'll need to Google Eclipse, or I could just put the link in the description. I'll probably put the link in the description. And yes, you will come to this website. Basically, what you want to go is downloads, and once you pressed on downloads, just download the standard one, and it won't say Mac OS X. Just download whichever specifications you have for your PC. It's just recognized that I'm on a Mac right now, and it is giving me the Mac OS X option. Okay, so I'll just leave those open so I remember to put them in. The next thing you'll want to do is Google Minecraft Forge, or you could just go directly to files.minecraftforge.net and yeah, download it. But so here you are on this website. They have actually updated it very recently and removed all of the really old versions, and I think you can find them here. But so basically what you want to do is press on the recommended, make sure it's the Minecraft version that you want to code, and then you will download the src, and it will bring you to a add file link. So yes, you will need to wait 5 seconds. Dramatic amount of time, isn't it? So you'll hit save, it'll download. It is downloading now. Yeah, you can close this then. So it might take a while to install the JDK. I'm not sure. I can't remember from when I did it. But yeah, you basically hit the download and it will redirect you to a new page. And here you have to hit accept license agreement, and you select whatever you're on. So I would have chosen the Mac OS X 64-bit version for my computer, and then I would have installed it with a DMG, but it depends which computer you're using to download. So yeah, we don't need the browser anymore unless you're looking stuff up. So now you go into your downloads folder, wherever that may be, and you will need to create a new folder on your desktop and just call it Minecraft mod. Well, you can call it whatever you like, but it doesn't really make a difference. So you will unzip the src folder, and you will get this forge here. You might want to rename the file because otherwise it's just called forge, and yeah, you'll have multiple files called forge or forge1 and whatever. So we're just going to call this mod test. So now that we have test, oh whoops, I did not mean to do that. So for those PC users out there, I think you might hit the install command or the py for the Python, but I'm not entirely sure. But for the Mac users out there, you will have to open up terminal. Follow me here, Mac users, for a while. Hit cd, enter, drag in test, and then hit bash, well, enter bash, space, and drag in the install.sh. Now it should do some stuff for quite a while, and yeah, if you haven't got the JDK installed, this won't work, this main file, so you won't even be able to start modding. So basically I'm just gonna quit out of this, go into my actual modding file, which is here. I will just copy this. I don't need this test folder anymore. Well, you will need it, but you will have to wait. So yeah, these are all the mods that I'm working on at the moment, but you don't need to see that. Yeah, never mind that. That comes later. That'll be in the next episode. So this episode is basically going to be setting up Minecraft Forge MCP and getting Eclipse to work properly. So you will have your test file, and it will look something like this, I believe. What you'll need to do then is go into a new Finder window and find your Minecraft directory. For most of us, it'll be in the library folder, but if you have not found the library folder in the application support, you will, and then you just type in Minecraft and you open it. But for those that don't have that, you'll go, let's just open up a new, I don't know why I closed that. Hit go. Oh, damn, sorry about that. Close this, go to folder, and you will have to enter the squiggly line, which is above the tab button. It's a shift click of the shift button, slash library slash. Did I spell it correctly? Yes, go, and you should be in your library folder now. You can create an alias for this if you want, and just place it on your desktop. And then you go here into your Minecraft folder, and wow, you have all of this stuff. You should already know how to find this, by the way. Basically what you'll need to do is copy over the launcher into the jars file that you have in your MCP folder. So I already have this. Yeah, so I just replaced it, no particular reason. So yeah, you'll open up your folder, MCP, jars, done, voila. Okay guys, and we are back. Sorry, I was just away for a while. Where were we? We just placed the jar, the Minecraft launcher jar in well, the launcher jar into the jars folder, didn't we? Yeah, sorry, I was just away for like 30 minutes there and I forgot where we are. I lost my train of thought and everything. So basically what you're going to do now is you're going to open up Eclipse, and I've already set it up, but basically what you're going to do is you are going to navigate into your mods folder via Eclipse. It's like you are going to hit the browse, and you are going to go into wherever you place your folder, Minecraft modding, test, MCP, Eclipse, there it is, and you don't want to press on any of these, you just want to hit Eclipse. But I've already done that, so I don't need to. As you can see, I have it there. And then you hit OK. It might take a while to load depending on your computer. I'm using a Mac right now, and it totally depends what you're doing. So what's the error here? Okay, I believe there is there should be no error. Why is there an error? Oh, there, no error. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit on the, you're gonna right click on the SRC thing, on the SRC folder, and create a new package, and this you can call whatever you like. I'm just gonna call it test. Yeah, that'll do. So I'll just name this one test, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new class inside test, and this folder will, I'll just call it main, and just hit finish. So now you have your main thing. You'll want to open up your browser and head to the minecraftforge.net/wiki/basic-modding and scroll down until you find this base mod class. It's quite a hassle to actually type it all out, so I'll just copy it in and show you how to edit it from there. So basically, you're in here and you just select everything and Command V it into, paste it if you don't know how to, so you just copy it and paste it. So you want to change the package declaration first, because it won't be the correct package declaration. You can delete all of this because this is just the imports. Here we can delete that, and we will just do info dot ID is what we'll do for now. This will be info dot name, and this will be info dot verse. So yeah, so here public class test. Oh, public class, no, main, sorry. Main, just change this. The common proxy, you're just going to, there's going to be an error over it. What you can do before that is just delete all of these green writing, because we don't really need them. You can keep them if you want to, but yeah, you don't need one. So we'll just call this test ID here. We don't really need to, but we will. Or main ID, whatever you want to. So then there's going to be an error over common proxy. Oh, here, I forgot to change this. You can put a dot there. And this will be info dot client plus, and then leave that there. And you can also delete this part of this one. And you'll do info dot common plus that there. So basically you're going to just create the common proxy right now. Just leave it all alone. And voila, you have your common proxy. Then what you want to do is go back to this place here and scroll down a bit until you find the common proxy file. So what you're going to do here is just command C it all, or copy it all, as you might say. Change the package declaration, and that's really all you have to do for that. And then you can hit save, and oh, there's an error in main. It's actually because we haven't created the info file or the client proxy yet, but we will. Patience. So you'll want to create a new package, and I'll just call this test. Wait, actually, what did I call the other one? That was, yeah, it was just test. Okay, so I was right. So we'll just call this test dot client. Yes, so you have an empty file, so you'll just want to hit new class and call this client proxy, just like that. Make sure you have all of the capitals and everything correctly in it, otherwise it will not work. Then you want to go back to Firefox, find the one that says client proxy in it, and just copy it all over, and then paste it all into here. And you can either just import the correct one, like change the declaration, or you can just change it yourself and edit it. Here you might just want to remove, remove all unused imports, and you'll want to import common proxy, and voila. There, that's you done and set up for the meantime. But we still have to create the info file, and that's what I'll do in this next part. I just have to go and sort something out real quick from somebody else downstairs. Okay guys, so we are back, and now what you'll want to do is create this info file of yours. So you'll want to create a new class, call it info, there, and you'll want to enter in this file public static final string ID, not final, equals, and then you will want to enter your ID. We'll just make this one test for now, and then you close it off with the colon there. You can just basically copy paste this multiple times because you'll use it for the main file. So what else do we need to create? We need to create the name, the version, the client, and the common. So we will have this one, name, version, client, and copy it one more time to create the common. And the common, basically this, we just need to write down the test dot. Actually, that's all we have to do. Yeah, just test dot. And for the client, we'll have to do test dot client. And if we hit save now, you should see that all of the errors in here have cleared up, but we have not set it up correctly. So the version, you'll just do 0.0.0 for now, and you can update this as time goes on. And test. And now if you hit the play button up here, you should get a little, little console log here that gives you the player ID 100, so your player 100. It's opening up. I hope it doesn't crash, because I know I've messed this up before and it's crashed. It just said shutting down. Oh no, it didn't? Wow, okay, that's awkward. So now we can just a gasp. Ooh. So now what you can do is, actually you don't even need to create a new world. You can go into mods and you can see we have the test mod. Yeah. So yeah, that's our test mod right there. So thank you for watching the very first episode of how to make Minecraft mods by what's it called again? I forgot my username. Oh my god. That was just perfect. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.